Hello friends, welcome to programmerblog.net. In this video, we will learn about how to use switch statement in PHP. The switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. On many occasions, a developer wants to compare the same variable or expression with many different values and execute a block of code depending upon which value it is equal to. So for this purpose, we use switch statement. In a switch statement, we have a switch keyword. Within this parenthesis, we provide a variable or an expression whose values needs to be evaluated. Next, we have these curly brackets, and inside the curly brackets, there are cases. There is case label 1, case label 2, case label 3. The code inside this case label will be executed if the value of n is equal to label 1, and the code inside case label 2 will be executed if the value of n, that is this variable, is equal to label 2. There is a break statement inside each of the case labels. The break statement is used to stop the code running into the next case automatically, and the default case is executed if none of the case labels matches the value of n. Let us go through an example script. Over here we have an example code for the switch statement. A $color variable whose value is red, and a switch statement where we evaluate the $color variable, and we have multiple case statements. The first case statement evaluates for the value red, and after the colon we have a statement echo your favorite color is red. There is a break statement as well. The next case checks for the value blue, evaluates the statement inside this case, and the next case is green. And if none of the above case evaluates to true, this default case will execute. Over here inside Visual Studio Code, I have opened a folder named switch. You should create a folder named switch inside the www root or htdocs folder of your WAMP or XAMPP installation. Over here I am going to create a new file and name it as index.php. Let us start writing the code. I will add a variable $color. After writing the switch statement, let us add the cases. So in this statement, as we have seen already in the slide, we have a switch statement that checks $color variable, and inside the switch statement we have added different case statements. So first statement checks that if the $color variable is equal to red, then this echo statement will execute, and once the control reaches to the break statement, the switch statement will stop executing and the control will come outside of the switch. And let us add another statement over here. If none of the above cases match the $color value, this default case will execute. Inside the browser URL, I will add localhost /switch /index.php. The program prints the value your favorite color is red, and then end of switch statement. Over here I will change the value of $color to blue and will add br over here, so this statement will print in the next line. The program prints your favorite color is blue and end of switch statement. Let us see if none of the case matches. I will change the $color value to yellow. I will refresh the page, and now it prints no matching record found because $color value was not present inside the switch case labels. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you want to read more detailed tutorials on the latest technologies, visit our blog at programmerblog.net. If you like this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye.